Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Myself Raghavendra. As you already know that we are doing the Docker project series, and till now we have done 4 projects in this series, and this will be our 5th project. So yeah, please follow the previous projects as well. And in this project, we'll be learning about the Node.js MongoDB using the Docker Compose. So will be exploring about the MongoDB and multi-container setup. Since it is a multi-container setup, we'll be working on the Docker Compose, right? So if you check the project number 2, where we have worked on the Node.js application. So but there we have just used the Docker file. Here also we'll use the Docker file to install the dependencies of Node. So Node and npm install. So these kind of things we'll do in the Docker file, but complete the setup, if you see at the Docker Compose, we'll be working on the MongoDB. In the previous project, if you see, we have worked on the Redis, but we the complete Redis setup used done using the Docker Compose itself. So we'll be learning about the multi-container setup in this project, similar to the previous project, but yeah, we will be working on the different setup, Node.js and MongoDB. Not in the previous project we have worked on the Flask and Redis, right? But in this project we'll be learning about the Node.js and MongoDB. So here is we'll be using the Docker ignore to ignore the files, because if we install everything, but there should be something which we need to avoid. So for that we'll be using the Docker ignore and other files as well, the package.js, and they will be installed automatically. So once you install the Node.js properly. And in this project we'll be learning about the multi-container setup, database persistence using Docker volumes, so environment variables, and a real backend API architecture platform. So we'll be working on the get, post, and get users. So these kind of things if you see the our project application, there we'll be using all the get, post, and get users data. So and you can give all the port name. So the port name would be 3000, which I have given. So you can also change give the different port name. So then we need to install the Node.js and Mongoose. Since we are using the get, post, the APIs, since we are using the APIs, so there is a reason why which we are installing the Mongoose, and the application would be Express. So then we'll create the file index.js. So this is a complete application which we have. If you see the port and Mongo and the complete details like post, the routes which we have, and the connect to MongoDB, so mongoose.connect, the Mongo URI. So everything is written. So you don't just try to understand. Once the application is successfully executed, so you can see the Node plus MongoDB Docker app. So that needs to be executed at the local host 3000, or the local host which you are running. So that needs to execute, then only we can say that the application is successfully executed. Then we have done with the index.js the application, and now we need to work on the Docker file. So it is simple Docker file we have done in the project 2 as well. So just need to follow the same steps. And since the application is Node, and the file name, we need to give a file name here. That's it. Then Docker ignore, we'll be ignoring the Node modules and Git. That's it. And now the main part, Docker Compose file. So the version is we'll using 3.9, and the services. So if you see we have created the ports. You can change the port here itself, and the environment. the Mango URI, and that depends on Mango, and we have given the Mango image. Okay, so if you see the previous application, so we have used a uh, uh, similar kind of pattern. So check the previous project, the project number 4. We have worked on the Flask Redis. Okay, so the Docker Compose file, if you look at that is also in the same pattern. So the version is same, the ports are same, the environment is Redis, but there we have used the uh, Mango, and depends on, here we have used Redis, and in this project we have used the Mango, right? And the image, here we used the Mango, but there we have used the Redis. That's it. So the process is same, we just install the different kind of applications. That's it. So Mango is a host name used by the node container to connect to the MongoDB, and named volume, we have given the volumes, right? So named volume ensure database persistence even container restarts. So I told you, right? So we have been using the uh, Docker volumes here. So to use the data base persistence, we have used the Docker volumes. So here is the project structure. So index.js, and Docker file, Docker Compose, and Docker ignore. Once you install properly, then it will automatically create the package.jsn and package log.jsn. These files will be created, and then you need to run the Docker Compose up build. So once you run this command, so it will take a couple of minutes, then it will be running at port 3000. If you can change the port here itself, so that it will run on the same port. Okay, that's it. So yeah, just run the Docker Compose up build. It will take couple of minutes, and then you can see the application. I have already run this. So here is the application. So once you run this, you can see all this, you can see everything. So yeah, then the application will be successfully executed. So congratulations, you have done the project 5 as well. So just clone the application and do it on yourself. That's it. So that's about the today's project number 5, using Node.js, MongoDB, and Docker Compose. So I hope you like the video. So since our aim is to keep the everything within 10 minutes, so I'm just giving the overviews and writing each and every step here. So please do like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any feedback that helps me, or if you like this project, that motivates me to do more projects in this way. So please do like and subscribe and comment, so that it helps me a lot to improve the videos, improve my projects, and everything. We both can learn, so as a mutual thing, so we both can learn and improve our skills. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll come with the next project. Thank you.